Video I'll be talking about the book The Night Circus by Erin Morningstone. So firstly I'll give you a synopsis about this book. So the circus arrives without any notice in various parts of the world, and it is only open for the public after the dawn. So this circus has various tents or section with various magical elements, and so this happens in the the front stage kind of thing. Backstage, two magicians are having a duel to see which one survives at the end, and those magicians are Celia and Marco, and so they did not have much of a choice whether they wanted to be part of the duel or not. They were kind of forced into it, and surprisingly they don't even know the rules or why they are into the duel, and they are just being told that they have to do their best at the circus. Along with Celia and Marco, there are a lot of people whose lives are involved around the duel and the circus itself. Basically, the duel is held to find out who survives at the end, but a twist happens that magicians fall in love, and it was really interesting to see how the story progressed from there. So firstly I would like to say that I really like this book, and the reason being that this is a really well written book. The language in which it is written, it is really flowery and atmospherically written, and also because of the characters, it is a character driven book, and there are a lot of characters in this book. And this book is slow paced, so it took a while for me to get interested in the whole plot. But I would like to say that this book is not for everyone. So if you read the synopsis for this book online, then it is written that it is a fierce competition between magicians. So if you go with that expectations, then you will not like this book, because that is not the main focus of the book. The main focus is the circus itself. So the aspect of the competition is there, but you don't really feel that competitive spirit and you'll do anything for winning and those kind of thing. That is not present, but it is just part of the book. Various sections in this book where author has narrated certain scene wherein it would actually feel like you're present over there. My favorite characters from the book are Bailey, Winston, and Penelope. So they are the kids, and their friendship and how they found each other, and it was really nice. So this book takes place in our world. So there are various individuals who are born with various magical elements. To give some examples, various magical abilities like seeing the future, or just by looking at someone you can tell their whole past. Manipulating your body, you can manipulate it however you want, and also fixing up broken things, which is not really possible in our normal day-to-day life, but you can fix it with that magical ability. So those are just few examples of the kind of magic which is present in this book. So that is why this comes in the fantasy genre. So to basically sum up the book, I'll just tell you some of the things which I liked about this book and what I did not like about this book. So I'll start with what I liked about this book. First thing is the writing style, because I like the flowery and atmospheric kind of writing. And the second part would be the characters. So since it is a character driven book, there are a lot of characters, and I'm sure if you will find someone whom you might like. And my favorite, as I said, are the kids, Penelope, Bailey, and Winston. And third reason would be the circus itself, because the way the magical elements are described, and the circus and all the magical elements in this book, they are really very nice. And the last reason would be the friendship and the connection, and there are various examples to back this up in various parts of the book. And those were some of the stuff that I really liked about this book. Now talking about some of the things which I did not like. So the first one would be, as I said, the book is slow paced. I don't mind the slow pacing for most part of the book, but towards the end it kind of got frustrating. And the second thing is, I did not care for Celia and Marco. So they are kind of the main characters, or protagonists you could say, for this book. But I just did not feel any connection to them, and that is not like to blame on the book or their writing. That is solely on me. I just could not feel like any connection to them. So like even if something happened to them, I don't think I would like care if something happened to them. Like I liked, as I said, like I've said this twice already, but I liked the kids a lot. So I whenever there were the scenes or like chapters which had Bailey, Winston, or Penelope, I really enjoyed those stuff. And overall, I really like this book. And if this book interests you, then definitely pick it up. I highly recommend. And so that is it for this video. If you have read this book, then do comment below what are your thoughts, and also what did you think about this book and this video. Do let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you next week.